Well, folks, here's something you definitely don't see every day. We have a 1960 Trail-A-Sled. These are built right here in Minnesota, in Crosby, Minnesota. And this is this is one awesome machine, and it's in great condition, as you see. Very, very rare. I believe there are only 35 or 36 of these made over a couple of years span. And this is one awesome survivor that we're looking at here. We're going to fire it up for you right now. All right, as you can see, this is even more rare than rare. This is a 4-seat Trail-A-Sled versus a lot of these were 2-seaters. Now we'll go around it a little bit closer when it's not so loud. These things are capable of going 100 miles per hour on the snow and ice. You want a toy that nobody else has, this is it. Now we'll get a little better look at the motor here. You can see it's a Lycoming engine. That's what they came with. Nice wooden prop that's in great shape. Notice I'm not talking very much because this thing basically sells itself. What an incredible piece. The nice thing with this one is all the goodies work. The lights, the tack, the gauges. The fiberglass is in very good shape. If you see a few stress cracks here and there that I'll point out, but other than that, she is one beautiful piece of equipment. Here's a little bit of the cracking. I don't even know that that's the fiberglass. I think it's just the paint. But just so you can see a couple of things there, it's even hard for the camera to pick them up. Very, very minor. But just want you to know that they're there. Aluminum skis. There's a lot of custom work on this piece that makes it even more functional and comfortable, I might add, including this torsion axle that was used here. It gives the plane a little suspension. This is truly a one-of-a-kind piece, folks. Don't miss your chance to get it right here at Unique Classic Cars. You can see all the still pictures of this on our website. And there'll be a full write-up with a full description as well. I might point out before we go, still has the ornament on the hood, if you want to call it that. Extremely rare. It's probably the last one on the planet because a lot of them broke off. But this is intact on this one as well. Feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Or again, you can see everything on the website, still pictures and description at uniqueclassiccars.com.